Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your badge type and department access. Make sure your photo ID matches the record. Go straight to security or the HR kiosk to activate the card now, and follow the on-screen prompts step by step. Once activated, set a PIN if the system requires one and register the badge with the hospital single sign-on so doors and terminals link to your credentials. This prevents repeated reauthorization and saves time during shifts. Next, you use the card to enter clinical zones and access terminals. Tap or swipe the badge at door readers and hold it steady until you see the green light or hear the confirmation tone. Do this rather than waving. For workstations, tap the badge and enter your PIN or provide the biometric follow-up if prompted, so sessions are linked to you. If any reader denies access, record the location and time, then request escalation through your supervisor or security team. To finish, sign out of all terminals and place your badge in the approved holder or lanyard when off-duty so it remains secure. If the card malfunctions or is lost, report it immediately to security to suspend access and get a replacement. If a reader fails, try an alternate reader or restart the terminal. If that does not work, document the error, time, and location. Then escalate. This quick documentation speeds resolution and reduces patient care interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.